Today, MShift powers well over 100 different mobile banking sites for several different financial institutions, over 120 different banks and credit unions in the US. This is by far the largest number of mobile banking deployments in any single vendor today. On the right of the screen, you can just see some of them scrolling, and that will keep scrolling in the background. In the months since we last presented at Finovate, we've added several other products in several categories. We can do mobile ticketing, mobile check-in with the airlines, social networking. But today I'm going to talk about business banking. And I'll start right with a demo. Now, this is actually not a demo. This is a live solution running on one of the financial institutions. Finally, a solution for the CFO on the go. And that, by the way, is the name of the product. So we're going to log right in. Now we go through multi-factor authentication. We provide an option as well that enables us to register the phone, so you don't have to go through this all the time. The little check mark at the bottom enables us to register this phone, and once you do that, we actually authenticate on the device as well as the phone. So if I type the password right, I should be logged in. And there we are. Now the CFO now has access to all the financial information at any point, any place, any time. Immediately you can see a summary of all the accounts right in there. We can go right to the reporting section. And there's a wide range of different reports that the CFO has access to. We can do quick balance reports, we can do transaction reports, we can do summary reports, we can do specific searches as well. Now we can do transfers as well. I'm going right quick. We can do express transfers. And then if you have the authority to approve transfers that were made by others, those will show up as well. So let's go see some pending transfers. And right from the palm of your hand, at any location, at any point in time, you can approve those transfers and transmit them. The result is that your business does not have to wait for you. You can run your business while you are on the go. So that was a transfer. Payments, we can originate payments. So I'm going to create a new payment here. Since I'm running a live solution, I'm actually going to play it a little bit safe and schedule it for next month, just to enable me to cancel it. Otherwise, the real payment will go out. Default payee is selected, and I can send that payment out. Now, the payment was successfully scheduled, all in real time. I can go back in to change my payment, and if I change my mind at any point in time, or if a payment was scheduled by someone else, and I review that payment, I can decide to delete it on the go. So we'll go to delete. And there, we've been able to delete that payment. Now, along with all these functionality is also the ability to generate a whole host of different informational type reports. So I can do payment history. I can actually also do stop payments on checks. I can stop payment on a single check. I can stop payment on multiple checks as well. And I can dive right in and review the payment history. Now, along with all this also comes the ability to manage your ACH as well. So you can review pending ACHs, you can make approvals, you can view transaction reports on that. The same with wire transfers. You don't have to wait till you get back to the office to approve your pending wires. You can review that and approve that right on the go. Loans, you can review what loans are there. You can run a whole host of reports on them. You can look at the summary of the pending loans and dig right into as much detail as that. Now, it comes along with a lot of support tools as well, and I'm going to kind of skip. So far, what I've demonstrated is the CFO or the C-level manager reaching out to get information. We also have a complementary product that enables the information come out and reach out to the CFO, and we call that our active messaging product. Now, to do that, we first of all have to sign up for it. So we're going to go right in, log in, and sign up. Now, we say we want an alert, and there's a wide range of information that we make available, pretty much any information that you want. In this case, I'd like to know when anything happens on a particular account. So when a withdrawal happens on an account, I'm going to select my savings account. And then we can notify you via voice, we can notify you via SMS, via email, even via fax as well. All those methods are supported. So I'm going to put the phone number of this phone here. And my alert is set. Now, to actually trigger this, we can trigger this in any of multiple ways. One way to trigger it would be to walk up to an ATM and do a transfer. But right here, I'm going to trigger it by doing a transfer with online banking. And I'll transfer 10 cents. And these alerts are real time. So in real time, we actually get notifications. We should be getting a notification in real time within a very brief second here. Well, thank you very much, and thanks for your time here.